Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You likely already have Word closed. Open Microsoft Word on your Mac and make sure you're signed in. You need Mac OS and Word up to date because interface labels change. Now, open the Word menu and choose Preferences. This is where Appearance options live. Once in Preferences, click General to access theme settings. You do this to shift control from System Dark Mode to app-specific options. Make the first change now. Look for Personalize or Appearance and prepare to switch to Light. Now you will change the actual display setting inside Word. In general, locate Office Theme or Personalize and choose Light. Some versions show you System Setting, uncheck it. If your Word has an Appearance button, select Light or White background. Once done, close Preferences and check an open document to confirm the background and ribbons are light. If color persists, also go to Mac OS System Settings Appearance and temporarily switch to Light so Word can reset its theme cache. Final steps: restart Word to apply all changes, and if necessary, restart the Mac to clear system theme memory. Make sure Auto Update is on so future updates keep labels consistent. Once restarted, open a document and inspect the ribbon, sidebars, and editor background. Adjust View Immersive Reader or background settings if available. Troubleshooting tip: if dark mode persists, remove Word Preferences /library/preferences/com. Microsoft Word /list, then reopen Word. Only do this if you can reconfigure settings quickly. Contact Microsoft support only after these steps fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.